Hello chaps, Bill here with a Yale Wafer. Now I haven't got the key for it, and to be honest I have not yet picked it. It's just to show you it's locked anyway. And once I picked it, I'll tell you why. Nearly there by the feels of things. There we go. Open. Right, now the reason I did that is just to let you know that Orc from DBC Locksmiths Forum kindly sent me some locks to play with, though I asked for one tricky challenge. He sent me a bio lock. Can I get anywhere with it? No. A fab. Any luck? No. A Sludge Briton. Now with this thing, good old Phil managed to pick it on cam after many attempts, I believe, although it was mastered, meaning a couple of shear lines. Anyway, those master pins are now gone. This is just 4 spools and a barrel spool. You can get it to full set all day, but can you pick out of it? No. He also sent me Adam's right, and so far that is the only one I've managed to pick. Though apparently I've got them for a year, so I may need that year. Anyway, there you are. Good old fashioned wafer. Yale padlock. Thanks for watching.